Okay, all right, number three. Number three says A, B, and C, and these are the basis of logs, by the way. They're all greater than 1. They go on to say that x is greater than 1, and then they give me logs with strange-looking bases over here. And what I want to do is I want to write that down, but their question is determine what log base AC of x is. All right? So I got a couple different things, and certainly I'm going to go to the whiteboard now, write down what they've given me. This is number 3. And let me write this down. They told me that A, B, and C are all greater than 1. They told me x is also greater than 1. And they tell me something about these logs over here. So log base AB of x equals 9. Well, I'm going to rewrite that so it's not a log. I'm going to write it as an exponential. And what does it say? It says AB is equal, I'm sorry, not AB. Sorry about that. Get my eraser out. It says that x is equal to AB to the 9th power. All right? All right, I could also write this down as AB is the principal 9th root of x. Okay? Let's put the next one down. Log of BC of x equals 18. Let me write this down over here as x equals, this is going to be BC, in parentheses, by the way, to the 18th power. And again, I could write down BC now is equal to the 18th principal root of x. All right, let's keep going. What else did they give me? The log of ABC, of the base ABC of x is equal to 8. What does this tell me? X is equal to A, B, C, in parentheses, to the 8th power. And again, I'm going to say that, that ABC is equal to the 8th principal root of x. All right? Okay, someone says, what did they ask for? And I'll write down what they're asking for. They want to determine the log of AC x. And I'm going to say, I don't know what that is. I'm just going to call it y for the time being. All right. Now, what do I know about this over here? I know that x, and this is what I want to find this thing over here. I don't know what it is yet. So I'm going to say x equals AC to the y power. And then I'm looking at this over here. I'm looking at the AC. And, let's just see if we can figure this out. All right. I know AC to the y. And I say, let's take a look at this over here. And I think I could put some things down. And I'm going to put C down because it has something to do with C. And I'm looking at this over here, and I'm going to say it's really, I could write down A, B, C over AB. And I'm looking at what I have over here. What's ABC? It's x to the 1/8. And what's AB? It's x to the 1/9. And I'm going to write this as C equals x to the 1/8 times x, not times x, I'm sorry. It's divide, right? So I'm going to subtract 1/9. What does that give you? X. Well, that's going to give you 72 now. That's common denominator. And you'd have 9 minus 8, which is going to be 1. So C is going to be equal x to the 1/72. All right, and I got the C, but I don't have the A yet. So I'm going to write down A. I could write down as ABC over BC. That would give me A, right? What's ABC? X to the 1/8. And what's BC? I'm sorry, ABC. Yeah, 1/8. And what's BC? It's 1/18. Oh boy, I got to do some arithmetic there, right? So what do you get over here? A equals x to the 1/8 minus 1/18. Oh, boy. Eight and 18, I'm going to say 72. It's more difficult than the other one, right? And what do you get there? Let's see, that would be 9 minus 4. Well, that's not so bad. I get A is equal X. That's going to be 5 over 72. Whoops, get that eraser out again. All right, so let me get this eraser out because I don't think I really need this thing I wrote before. And let me erase this too. And I'm going to write this down now. I know AC. Let me write this over here. Whoops, sorry about that. I know A times C. What's that going to be equal to? Well, A is X to the 5 over 72. And I'm losing track over here. That's the A, right? Yeah, and the C is, oh, look at that, 1 over 72. That's going to be 6 over 72, right? And that's going to be, X is going to be, let's see, that's 10, that's 12, so it's 1/12. Let's write this down now. So log AC X let's take a look at that. Looks like 1/12. Let's see if that's true, by the way. I'm going to write this over here. X equals AC to the 1/12. X equals, what's AC? It's X to the 1/12. Oh, not 1/12, it's 12. Sorry about that. And let's write this down. So, and that's going to give me X. So what's the answer over here? The answer is 12. Let me just get my eraser out. I'll get rid of that 1/12 business and write that down again for you. So 12, 12, and that's going to work out, by the way. It's going to be X to the first power. So the answer is 12. And we're done. Thank you.